The 2025 Hyundai Tucson's infotainment system may need a reset occasionally. There are two primary types: soft reboot and factory reset. A soft reboot restarts the system without deleting your data, fixing minor freezes by clearing temporary memory. To perform a soft reboot, either hold the power button or find the restart option in the settings menu. A factory reset erases all personal data and settings, returning the system to its original state. Access this option through the General Settings menu or by pressing Volume up-down and power simultaneously for 10 seconds. Use a factory reset for persistent issues or before selling the vehicle. Back up important data before performing a factory reset. Bluetooth connectivity is a common issue in the 2025 Tucson. To fix Bluetooth pairing problems, first forget the paired device in the infotainment settings. Then perform a soft reboot. After the reboot, repair your device. If the issue persists, a factory reset may be necessary. Note that early 2025 models had firmware bugs causing Bluetooth problems, often resolved by a Hyundai-issued patch. If a patch is not available, doing a factory reset helps. Remember to keep your system updated via over-the-air OTA updates to minimize future issues. If resets don't resolve the issue, consider contacting Hyundai service, as repeated DIY resets could potentially void your warranty. McAfee recommends a factory reset after using public Wi-Fi to mitigate potential Bluetooth vulnerabilities.